Hi, we are group number 4. The company which we have selected is the NDB Bank PLC. These are the area we are going to cover throughout this presentation. Introduction, business context analysis, digital maturity assessment, stakeholder analysis, technology infrastructure and recommendation, digital culture and change management, risk management and cyber security and recommendation. If I give a brief introduction about the NDB Bank PLC, the bank is founded in 1979. The company is headquartered in Colombo too. There are over 100 branches in England-wide. NDB Bank is a leading Sri Lankan banking and financial service institution. NDB Bank has a strong history of excellence in IT security and its digital infrastructure support to grow their customers. These are the main services offered by the NDB: card offers, privilege banking, Neos digital banking, and the banking on women. When it comes to the business content analysis, NDB has positioned itself as a leader in providing innovative financial solutions. We have analyzed the strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threat of the NDB. Here we have found the strength as a owing a strong brand recognition, providing innovative digital solution, and diversified financial package for every customer segment. When it comes to the weaknesses, limited presence in the suburban and rural area is the main weaknesses. When it comes to the opportunity, growing in digital banking, all banks are now AI-driven banking. And over to you, Taridu.
Hello everyone, I will share the digital maturity assessment of NDB Bank, focusing on its progress and leveraging technology for competitive banking. NDB digital initiatives like launch of NDB Neos show a strong commitment to innovation. However, opportunities remain in adapting AI and blockchain to stay ahead of global trends. Let's dive into deeper. Let's explore NDB strengths and weaknesses. Strengths: NDB Neos offers robust mobile banking features, strong cybersecurity with encryption and multi-factor authentication, a modern core banking system support operation. The bank introduced innovative products like Bank on Woman. Weaknesses: lacks in AI and blockchain adoption, not fully cloud-based, limiting scalability. So and also partial automation slows process like loan approvals. Of workforce upskilling in AI and analytics needed. Those are the weaknesses of NDB Bank's digital maturity. Here, quick comparison of NDB with competitors like Commercial Bank and Sampath Bank. Let's dive into strength. Competitive mobile banking features, robust cybersecurity measures. Weaknesses: competitors lead in AI-driven banking and end-to-end automation, and also NDB lacks of a full cloud migration. Those are the weaknesses with comparing by competitors. NDB digital maturity rating is intermediate to advanced. So we can recommend integrating AI for personalized service, implementing end-to-end process automation, fully migrate to cloud-based systems, upskilling employees in AI and analytics. With this improvement, NDB can lead in digital banking. Thank you.
When analyzing stakeholders involved in banking industry's digital transformation strategies, we can basically segregate them under two separate categories, which are internal stakeholders and external stakeholders. Under internal stakeholders, executive leadership comes first. Their major responsibility is to amalgamate the digital transformation strategy along with the corporate vision and mission and allocate required resources to make those visions and missions a reality. The other major factor under internal stakeholder category is employment. When new technology comes to an organization, existing platforms, tools, and processes are going to be changed. So eventually, employment has to develop themselves in order to use those technologies. Otherwise, they will not be able to reach the desired efficiency levels. HR is the major responsible party for the development of the organizational employment. They can create development and training programs to reskill and upskill existing employment and acquire new talents and skills to the organization in order to foster the digital transformation strategy. IT and development teams are responsible to maintain the digital infrastructure within the organization and maintain the higher cybersecurity levels with digital transformation strategies. And then it comes to risk management teams and uh, compliance teams. Their basic requirements, their basic responsibilities to make sure the digital transformation strategy is in line with the regulatory requirements. Then, under external stakeholder category, uh, customers comes first with improved digital platforms. Customers demanded their convenience and access to 24/7 banking requirements, and the bank has managed to do that through online banking and other uh, digital platforms. However, it is customers' responsibility to maintain the desired security levels, such as maintaining good passwords and secure browsers. The other category in external stakeholders is shareholders and investors. Their basic role is to provide leadership and resources, acquire required technologies to the organization in order to achieve the uh, digital transformation process and their targets, and look for the long term benefits rather than the short term ones. Uh, the competition, when we speak about the competition, with current market context in the banking industry, digital transformation has become a necessity to survive actually. You have to digitally transform your bank just to survive, otherwise you will fall behind. Then regulatory requirement, central bank is the apex regulatory requirement regulatory body in Sri Lankan financial and banking sector, and they are currently actually fostering this digital transformation and maintaining relevant ecosystem for that.
I'm Darshika Pangampala, and I'll be presenting the recommendations for upgrading the technological infrastructure of NDB Bank Sri Lanka. Let's start by looking at the current technological infrastructure at NDB. Currently, NDB Bank has several banking solutions in place. These include online and mobile banking ATMs, cybersecurity methods such as face recognition and fingerprint IDs. They also have co-banking system and a digital banking platform which called NDB News, and QR payment system in the same platform. And they also have supply chain finance platform which called TradeLink. Okay, now let's look at the key upgrades that can take NDB Bank's experience to the next level. First, cybersecurity enhancements, AI-driven fraud detections for real-time threat monitoring, and multi-factor authentications for strengthening their online banking security. And they can use blockchain technology integration and AI-based predictive analytics for analyze their customer behaviors, and they can shift their ATMs and kiosks for smart ATMs, and they can shift their branches into smart service centers, and also they can shift in their co-banking systems totally to the cloud-based system, and they can use AI-powered chatbots for customers for serve 24-hour customer service. By implementing these technological upgrades, NDB Bank will experience more benefits: faster transactions, improved customer experience, and more secure and scalable systems totally enhance the efficiency. Thank you.
I am Chandi Vijayaratna. Change Management Plan. We applied Quarter's 8 Step for Leading Change Management Plan to describe digital transformation strategy for NDB Bank. The Quarter's 8 Step Change model is a more comprehensive approach for leading challenge management. This model considers the different stages of changes. First one, we move to create sense of urgency. Employee and customers need to understand the importance of digitalization now in Sri Lanka, how to use day-to-day work easily, and why these are needed to now. Under this step, we can categorize in two. There are customer service AI-driven checkbox, risk management AI powered risk models. Second one is build guidance coalitions. We must build a strong team to revive the digital culture shift. For that, we have established a digital transformation task force including executives, IT leaders, and HR officers. As a result of this task, branch manager can be changed in as an ambassador. Among them, then can assign digital champions across department to promote with new tools. Third one is form a strategic version. On this time, we consider need to be create a clear roadmap. It helps to employee and customers understand how to do the transformation journey. The following key goals are help guide the transformation process effectively with efficiently as the slide has mentioned. Fourth step is enlist. We can establish as a volunteer army in this task. We assume employees and customers can improve the environments quickly. Some employees are naturally more knowledgeable for technology. At this time, we can establish a digital champions team, every branch to assist their colleague with workshops and training by these champions. Digital help desk also in branches where staff assess customer in using digitalized service. Enable action by removing barriers. Under this task can recognize overcoming resistance to digitalization. The importance of this task is that the employee may fear that automation will replace their jobs with leading to resistance. As per the example for many customers avoid digital banking because they find registration too complicated. Currently, we need to arrange access to simplify the mobile banking registration process by making digital banking easily. Other one is generating short-term wins. Can assume show quick access. The importance point is that early wins create momentum and build confidence in the digital transformation. Can reach between employee and customers are more likely to support change when they see quick. It's a tangible benefits. Other one is sustain. Currently, continuous improvement is necessary to ensure long-term digital transformation success. But digital transformation is not a one-time project. Create a customer-facing digital progress dashboard displaying real-time service improvement. We can use dashboard to gather customers' feedbacks. It helps to identify major points and improvements the user experience. Intake, keeping stakeholders informed, build trust and engagement. On this step, we assume all the employees and customers need to see the impact of digitalization to remain commitment to employed and customer feel valued when their input is considers. Last one is institute changes. Normally, cultural changes should be permanent, is not a temporary initiative. But employees and customers must see digital banking as a standard way of operating. As an example, if we start integrate digital KPIs to in our employees performance evaluations, employees need to be accountable for digital transformation and digital adoption is linked to performance review and incentive. As a result of this, employees are more motivated and to engage. We can introduce another thing. It's experience reward scheme for employee who actively contribute the digital initiative with incentive of career growth opportunities. Create a department-wise digital skill card to track and compare their contributions. These are the steps for change management plan to NDB. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I'm going to present what are the strategies which are considering the NDB Bank to fostering a culture of innovation and continuous improvement. There are some strategies such as embracing change and innovation. The bank has adapted to change by improving its digital services such as mobile app and online banking make it easier for customers to manage their accounts. Then collaboration across departments. NDB Bank departments like IT, customer service, marketing and product development collaborate to improve the services. For example, IT and customer service work together to increase the mobile app, and marketing and product development work together for create new financial products. Then customer-centric mindset. NDB Bank adopt a customer-centric mindset by offering personalized solutions like custom loan packages. The data-driven decision making. The NDB Bank uses data-driven decision making by analyzing customer data to improve its services. For example, the bank tracks customer behavior to offer personalized products like tailored loan facilities. Then agility and flexibility. The NDB Bank shows agility and flexibility by quickly adapting to customer needs, like expanding digital services during the COVID-19 pandemic, and the upskilling and reskilling. The bank offers training programs in digital banking and customer services to increase the employee skills, and also leadership commitment, risk management and cyber security awareness, and also empowerment and ownership. Ownership are the strategies. Which are the most important strategies using the bank. Then finally, open communication and transparency. NDB Bank promote open communication and transparency by regularly updating customer on new service and encouraging employee feedback. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Sampath from group number 4. My topic is risk management and cybersecurity. We can identify 4 categories in cybersecurity mainly. First one is identify the risk. It means we have to identify future cybersecurity risks and vulnerabilities, and after we have to assess the risk and control the risk by using several methods and regularly review the cybersecurity risk. And we have to use several methods to protect our cyber assets from cyber attacks within the organization and within the personal life also. We can use strong passwords and lock your devices when after the day-to-day works, and do not share the passwords with others, and beware of phishing attacks. and set up strong firewalls and always update the software systems and antivirus systems. And we have to aware with using public Wi-Fi, and we can connect to VPNs, and there are such kind of several methods to protect our cyber assets within the organization, and personal tablets, personal smartphones, and laptop and computer also. There are many methods are used by NDB Bank also, but some kind of loopholes in cybersecurity systems, we can identify several factors. We can list down as follows: conduct training programs and learning materials to employees, use strong firewalls to prevent cyber attacks from outsiders, and regularly update the software systems and internal core system, employee knowledge improvement programs to be implemented, and reduce downtime of ATMs and other internal system within the working times. Such kind of several loopholes in the cybersecurity system in the bank. Then we have recommend these factors to NDB Bank to improve the cybersecurity process and protect their cyber assets.